So my name is Rachel Lee and I currently live in Cedar Hills, Utah. I went to a wig shop and I was like, these all look weird. And so as soon as I saw Lacey put up the event for UniWigs, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do this, because the hands-on, the actually getting people's expert opinions, advice on, what's gonna work best. That's kind of why I was like, I have to go. I have to do this. Now's the time. I'm never gonna get this opportunity again. So I feel like in general, I'm a confident person, but having hair loss, it is just something that's constantly looming over you. Like when you go to fancier events or you want to just get dressed up for date night and not wear a baseball cap all the time. I feel like it's just going to help so much to feel like myself again and feel like, okay, I can have cute hairdo like everybody else on the planet. So I actually didn't know toppers existed until I found Lacey on Instagram, and I was like, what? This is magic. Like, I didn't even know these existed. If I could give anyone advice that's experiencing hair loss, and obviously I'm older, 45. I've never done anything drastic to my hair, and I was so self-conscious about it for years and years, and finally I was like, it doesn't matter. Like, it's not my identity. Having a great hairdo, yes, it will make me feel better about myself, but people will give you advice all day long. People will tell you, have you tried this? Have you tried that? You've probably tried it all, and just know that if you're comfortable with it, who cares what everybody else says?